So hey, look, I'm no rocket stove guru. I'm no rocket stove guru. I'm no rocket stove guru. I'm just a guy who had an idea and had the equipment in the workshop to make it and try it out. Made a few mistakes. One was just now lighting it using sticks as thick as my thumb, which is, we're off to a slow start. I'm going to coax this thing into life, and I'll click the video on again when I've got the thing up to temperature. Right. By coaxing it into life, what I really meant was giving it 60 seconds worth of LPG from a hand burner. So I've now got embers and the thing's away. I'm going to check a few temperatures, see what I've got. Well, it's gorgeous weather right now, but who would have thought that over the weekend we've had 3 days of horrible rain. It's actually been record rain, so it's looking good now. But I've been stuck inside my house truck for 3 days with nothing much to do, so I've been trying to come up with ideas of how I can improve this little rocket stove. And the simplest way to improve the burn is to lengthen the chimney by a little bit. So I've had a rummage around, pulled out some parts. This here at the moment is 8 feet long, that's 2.4 meters, and I've got this piece here that I dug out from behind the shed. I'm going to add that on the end and see how it improves the burn. To hell with this idea, it's not going to work. I'm going to nip into the shed and make a tool that will do the job. Right, I've just got my rattiest pair of vice grips and welded some pieces to them. So this new tool, have a look at this. This new tool will allow me to put crimps into sections and reduce the diameter. So let's see how well it goes. Oh, look at that. 360 degrees of awesome. Because it's rained so much over the last few days, I've had to resort to going out and buying dry wood. So let's see how we go. Take a note of the time. It's hard enough to find a sheet of dry newspaper around here. Now you only need half. Create a little space, put this in, light it up. A little bit of smoke just to start. As soon as it's up to temperature, that will completely disappear. Right, here we are doing those temperature checks. As you can see, with the new chimney on it, it's almost 100 degrees hotter than it was with the shorter chimney. That's more than I need. Here's the hot spot. Moving to the back of the grill, you'll see the massive difference I've got because of the long flame path, which gives us very controllable cooking. There you go, from 350 degrees Celsius right down to 85 or 90. Awesome controllability. I'm really enjoying cooking on this thing. So it was about 4 or 5 minutes from lighting the fire to starting cooking these sausages. I'm boiling a jug next to the fry pan, and even though I've got 100 degrees extra heat today, it still doesn't seem to be boiling much faster. I've still got that 13 to 14 minute thing for 1 litre of water, which is 4 cups. But there we go. It's boiling now. It doesn't have much of a whistle on it. It doesn't whistle particularly well. But I'm off for my breakfast now. This has been Tiny House and Offgrid Resources. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more of this kind of stuff. Bye! I'm off for breakfast.